Hi, I'm Daria and we're here in the laboratories of the Gamaleya Institute in Moscow. This is the place where the first registered COVID-19 vaccine Sputnik V was developed. And we start with the key highlights on Sputnik V that hit the news around the globe. The Sputnik V vaccine efficacy amounted to 91.4% 28 days after the first dose. The second interim data analysis on Phase 3 clinical trials in Russia was announced. Currently, 40,000 volunteers are taking part in double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled Phase 3 clinical trials. 22,000 volunteers have been vaccinated with the first dose of the vaccine and more than 19,000 with both the first and the second dose of the vaccine. The second interim analysis of clinical trial data showed 91.4% efficacy for the Sputnik V vaccine 28 days after the first dose and over 95% efficacy 42 days after the first dose. Russian direct investment fund NH Taro, one of India's leading pharmaceutical companies, agreed to produce over 100 million doses of the Sputnik V vaccine in India. The production will start in early 2021. The local manufacturing means access to the vaccine for the citizens will be as swift as possible. This is the first step towards the vaccine production with local partners. Russian Direct Investment Fund, the backer of the Sputnik V vaccine, welcomed the delegation of France Scientific Committee for COVID, headed by Dr. Marie-Paul Kinney. The parties discussed the science behind the Sputnik V vaccine and exchanged their views on the vaccine production and mass vaccination. Cooperation between Russia and Hungary continues. Hungary has already received Sputnik V documentation, and Hungarian doctors are getting ready to visit Russia next week to observe vaccine clinical trials as well as the manufacturing process. After the visit, Russia will be ready to ship the vaccine to Budapest.